Let's go, Billy. Let's go home. Let's go home. Go on, let's go home. He's gonna walk.
Maisie, what'd you do? Did you get in trouble?
Are you ready? Are you ready? Come here, Chico. Don't.
It's too heavy for me, Nugget. All right, time to get out of the new car. Come on. It's time to get out. Now you don't want to get out of the car? You big dummy. Zeus, you wanna go for a walk? Gotta get off the couch. Come on. Come on. Mac, are you okay? Oh my god.
Are you supposed to? Were you supposed to bite Tavo? Hey.
Chance. Give me your paw. Chance. Have your paw. Maddie, stop it. Chance, give me your paw. Give me your paw, boy. Give me your paw.
I love you. Did you take cookies from the cookie jar? Yeah? Did you take cookies from the cookie jar? Do you know how bad that was? Your fat butt don't eat those cookies.
Tito, did you do this, Tito?
Tito, did you eat the moose tracks?